And so, yeah. Even though no one cares. Yeah, so I'm gonna redo my hair. Good morning. This is my sleeping thingy. Australia's school system is different. And so, yeah, summer, but we finish summer break and we usually start around early February. So our school year starts now. And, well, this is my morning routine. Those are my blinds.
Like, couldn't sleep. Like, I took a while to fall asleep.
I even tried counting sheep, but that did not work. My view to nothing. By the way, I wanted to do a fit check. It's a really oversized pink shirt. Don't judge me, I didn't pick it. I had to wear this for a hip hop costume. Yeah, it's from Uniqlo. Uniqlo? I think that's what it's called.
Uniqlo.
It's pink and like green shorts, right? And I literally look like Patrick from SpongeBob. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys my timetable because
it's really aesthetic.
Okay, this is like what I can show you. This is my desk. Current situation. Nail cutter. Nail file. Even my nail file is colorful. Yeah, because we're not allowed nail polish at school. I painted my nails 4 times. Empty pens, because my school has a pen recycling system. I saved these throughout my entire summer to bring to school and to recycle them. And I have this biscuit eraser. I had a really dead biscuit eraser, like, this is my demented biscuit eraser. Calculator. And I have a tutorial on my channel of how I made this 5 years ago. I'm gonna give you guys a piece of advice, and that piece of advice is, in the mornings, listen to music that you like, because that's what I'm doing right now. I'm listening to music that calms me, and it probably has brightened up my mood a little bit more. Do you guys brush your teeth before or after breakfast? Because I can't do both, so I do
After breakfast?
and that's what the dentist said to me anyway. Like, it's not gonna be, like, you might have morning breath, but you're gonna eat anyway. I don't know. You guys let me know. I don't even know if people have breakfast these days. Here's my bamboo toothbrush. That's what I was gonna tell you guys. I'm really proud of myself because yesterday I like flossed my teeth. No, but seriously, flossing your teeth with braces.
It takes forever.
And I did it. No, I don't know if that's a bad or good thing, but I splashed cold water on my face. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm in a Vogue video. Nobody cares. I'm a YouTuber with like 0 views, but it's okay. This summer, we gotta put on some SPF. But actually, that's true though. Seriously, it's gonna be so hot this week. Like, I wanna take a screenshot of like the literal temperature. I'm using, please focus, this. If this was winter, I wouldn't even bother doing this. We're gonna do my traditional jump change. Whew, that was a big jump. Okay, my mirror, just ignore that. I think my vertical has heightened. I'm kidding. We're gonna do hair now. Do you tell her she's the most beautiful girl you've ever seen? So today I'm gonna be doing a high bun. I did this a lot last year and I really liked it, even though no one cares. Oh, also, since I go to a private school in Australia, we have this rule where all girls have to have their hair tied back. So that means it always has to be tied back and it can't be like out like it was before. Otherwise, I would have just gone to school like that because it doesn't look bad. This was my aim, and I'm holding it up right now because I don't have like, I didn't tie it up properly. And it didn't work, and I'm really disappointed because I kept filming, and I'm sorry I had to deal with my ratchet hairstyle because this was what it was supposed to look like, and it like looked like this. Yeah, you guys can't really see it, but actually I'm just gonna prop you guys up. Actually, you guys can't see it at all. I was still recording. Oh my gosh. Oh. Next, we're gonna do makeup. I'm kidding, we're not. We're just gonna curl lashes. So to end it off, I'm gonna be wearing some jewelry for you guys, which is like barely anything. I'm wearing this cross necklace that I got for Christmas. Super delicate. I really like don't want to bring it to the front. I don't know if other people do that. I think other people do. Okay, so this is all the jewelry I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna wear this watch that I wear always, everywhere. Literally, I love it. I put some lip balm on. Not lip gloss, just lip balm, just so that my lips aren't chapped, you know what I mean? And yeah, so I'm gonna redo my hair because it looks really bad, and I think it's because I did it on camera. It's time check. It's 8 a.m. and I'm probably leaving in around 15 minutes, so you guys are I'm gonna bring you guys along to pack my school bag with me. Hey guys. Okay. I'm gonna set you guys down and pack my school bag. These aren't even my textbooks, these are my books. I have a folder for each subject. Notebook. This is the only, like, Japanese is kind of special. It has its like own special notebook. I have like a little sticker. Plastic bag. I'm gonna use to bring my school stuff, school textbooks in, so I'm just gonna pop these two. Actually, I should spray these before going to school. But like, guys, Australia gets really hot in the summer. Okay, we're gonna be spraying. I don't know what else to do. I'm gonna be given my timetable. So the final thing I need to pack is why am I so nervous? My lunchbox and water bottle, but that's on the kitchen, so I'm gonna get that later. I'm just gonna call it a video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this like small like morning routine and get ready with me sort of thing. But basically it's time for me to go. 8:15 right now, and so I'm gonna head to school. Bye.